Namaste, sir. Requesting permission to start the proceedings, sir.
Yes, sir.
Requesting permission to read out the order of appointment of the Lokayukta, sir.
Yes, hello.
In exercise of the powers conferred under provisions of subsection 1 of section 3 of Lokayukta Act 2011, Goa Act 3 of 2012, Justice Shri Ambadas Hariba Joshi, retired judge of the Bombay High Court, is hereby appointed as Lokayukta. Given under my hand and seal on this 12th day of April, Honorable Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Requesting permission for the Honorable Justice to take the oath, sir.
Please take oath. Yeah,
I, Ambadas Haribhau Joshi, having been appointed as Lokayukta under the Goa Lokayukta Act 2011, do hereby swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India by law established, and that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability and knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will. Thank you.
yes, sir.
Namaskar.
Hey, first of all, yeah. Please sit it.
So would you like to have another cup of coffee, tea?